Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel. Sorry for not posting video for so long. I have been looking for ways to actually make money. So finally, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to actually make money with Jumptax and how you can actually withdraw your money. But before you start making money with this app, you need to download the app. So you have to head over to your Google Play Store. Just go over to your Google Play Store. Yeah, once you're in your Google Play, you go over. Okay, let me set up my Google Play. So I think they need me to set it up again. Okay, I'm all set up, guys. Let's go. Now, all you need to do is now search. Yeah, search for jump. Search for the Jumptax. Sorry, Jumptax. Once you search for Jumptax, install it. As you can see right here. Mine is already installed. Okay, mine is already installed. I'm just going to open it right here. I'm gonna open it and then try the app. So once the app is open, all you need to do is sign up. If you're not signed up, you can click on continue with Google. But since I already have a Google account, I'll just be inputting my email here. So that's how you can actually create your account and actually sign up to the platform. The second now is how to actually earn. So you need to learn how to earn. But I'm going to show you the most simplest way I actually make money from Jumptax. All you need to do is come every day here and click on the claim reward button. Once you click on the claim reward button, they'll give you a certain amount of tokens. Yes, a certain amount of tokens that you can accumulate little by little. And if you want to level up your game, you can perform simple tasks like this one that's showing social media tasks like this. Let me complete one in front of you guys and show you guys. Okay, all you have to do is click on one of these social media tasks. It will load up and you can read the instructions over here. Once you read the instructions right now, just click on follow and make sure you complete the task. Okay, right now I have successfully completed the task and they have notified me that I've completed the task. Let's go back. So as you can see right now, my balance has just added up successfully. If you see that, good for you. So guys, I'm going to show you how to actually place a withdrawal. But before I show you how to actually place a withdrawal from this site, you must learn how you can actually link your bank account. So all you have to do is click on my wallet. As you can see here, I already have an account link and you're only allowed to link one account. Okay, you're only allowed to link one account. So once you're done linking your account over here, your crypto account, or it could be Trust Wallet, it could be MetaMask, any one of your choice. Once you're done linking it, you go back and you can actually see the payout button over here. So guys, I'll be clicking this payout button and let's see the process together. So as you can see, they are giving me two options. One, the recommended option to withdraw in BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain, something like that. I think so. Which is BNB token. Yes, BNB token. But they'll be charging me a certain fee, a certain gas fee, which is not up to $1. I think it's up to, yeah, which is not up to 0.00 something cents. But this one, if I withdraw with this one, I will not be charged anything. But I prefer withdrawing with this one because if you withdraw this one, you can actually exchange the token immediately and send it to your exchange. Or you can, if you have the wallet for this, you can actually go for this. I don't know anyone in your choice, but please do your research. Do your research before embarking on anything you see online. It's not everything they say online that is true. So guys, let me place this video and see how long it will take for it to enter. As you can see, transfer being processed. Okay. So guys, I've placed a withdrawal before in this account. As you can see right here, I've placed a withdrawal before. You can see it on the 8th of December. Okay, my withdrawal has actually been successful. We are going to go and check our Trust Wallet because I actually linked my Trust Wallet. So let me show you guys. As you can see right here, guys, I've actually placed a withdrawal before. Yes, I've actually placed a withdrawal before for 0.05 tokens. And it was completed successfully on the 8th of December 2025, which was last year. It was not too long ago. It was last month something. Okay, so right now, guys, I'm going I'm going to go check my trust wallet with you guys. Let's check the trust wallet together and see whether the money have actually arrived. Don't mind what you're seeing up here. Let's go check the trust wallet and see whether the money has arrived. Okay, so right now I've clicked on trust wallet and let's input our code. Let's input our code. And let's, okay guys, as you can see here, the money has just arrived. It has just arrived successfully in our balance. Let's refresh that. So guys, right now, I'll be attempting. As you can see right here, the money has just arrived in our balance. The money has just arrived in our balance. And as you can see right here, it has arrived successfully. So that is how the money will arrive in your balance. So now I'm going to be swapping the money for you guys. Let's see right now. I'm swapping the money into, I think I should leave it because the money is actually rising. The money is actually rising. But to show you guys an example, I'm going to be swapping the money. Let's go, guys. So I'll click here. I'll click here. And I'll select this. And as you can see, I just selected it and I click on max. Once I click on max, it will now show me the equivalent amount. The equivalent amount. As you can see, this is the total amount of what I'll be getting. This is what I'll be getting from the project actually. So that is how you can actually make money with the Jumptax app. So guys, the link to try the app will be in the description or in the comment section of this video. So go over there right now and pick up your link and then sign up, and then I'll see you in the comment section, guys. Drop what you think about the app in the comment section. Don't forget you can find the app in Google Play Store. Click the link to download the app so you can get that free check-in bonus. If you don't use the link, you will not be getting that claim now button where you can just make money easily with the app. Okay, that is all for now. That's all for today, guys. Stay tuned, click on that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because very soon I'll be dropping another video where you can actually post and earn money on TikTok. If you're from Nigeria, you should know that TikTok doesn't pay us Nigerians. Yes, TikTok doesn't pay us Nigerians, so we got to find a way to get paid by TikTok, and that's where an app comes in. I'm going to be showing you the app. I'm going to show you how you sign up because it's not a Nigerian app. It does not work here in Nigeria. They're going to pay for every post you make on your TikTok account. And this is not connect your TikTok account. They'll be monitoring your TikTok account for you. You don't have to link your TikTok account again, giving them access to it. They'll just be monitoring it and be paying you for every view you get. For every 1,000 views, they will pay you $1. So imagine getting 10,000 views, 100,000 views. You can be making $100 to $1,000 every single day just by posting. Okay, so stay tuned, click on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification because that's what I'll be bringing for you guys next. See you in the next video.